Seeing error code 1001 pop up in Roblox and wondering what's going on? Whether it's blocking your login or crashing your game, this mysterious error has confused a lot of players. Let's clear the air and walk through what it really means and how to fix it fast. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Here is what Roblox Error Code 1001 is and how to get Roblox working again. What is Roblox Error Code 1001? Error Code 1001 might sound scary, but here is the truth. It's not real. Roblox never created this error, it's just a made-up message that started spreading online around 2022. How did it start? A user posted about a strange pop-up on Roblox fan site. Then a TikTok user shared a fake message saying, "We have detected another device in your house. If you are alone, call 911." This creepy message made people think Roblox could detect nearby devices, which is completely false. Other TikTok users joined in, creating their own versions of the message, adding to the confusion. How to fix the error code? Since error code 1001 isn't real, there is nothing to fix. If you see this message, it's either part of the game's story or just a prank. So keep playing. Your account and device are safe. If you still cannot play the game, then follow these methods to troubleshoot the issue. Method 1. Check your internet connection. An error code on Roblox can occur due to an unstable internet connection. Check your internet connection while you are getting such an error. Check the internet speed by visiting speedtest.net and see if you have a stable internet connection. If the internet connection is unstable, then you can contact your internet service provider to fix the issue. If the internet connection is stable, then check the game server. Method 2. Check the Roblox game server. Besides checking the internet connection, you should also check the game server for any service outages. If there is any service outage or the server is under maintenance, wait until it goes live again. If all the systems are operational, then use a different network connection. Method 3. Run Roblox in a compatibility mode. Right-click on the Roblox desktop shortcut, click on Show More Options, then Properties. Next, go to the Compatibility tab, check the box next to Run this program in compatibility mode for option. Select a Windows version, also check the box for Run this program as an administrator option. Once done, relaunch Roblox and see if this could fix the error. If you again get the same error, delete the Roblox log files. Method 4. Delete Roblox log files. Press Windows plus R to launch the Run utility. Enter the following command in the Run command box and hit Enter. %local app data %/Roblox/logs. From the next window, select all the log files, pressing Ctrl plus A and hit the delete button. Once the files get deleted, exit the window and relaunch Roblox. If the error persists, reset your network settings. Method 5. Troubleshoot the graphics drivers. The next thing you should do is troubleshoot your graphics drivers. Right-click on the Windows search button and choose Device Manager. Go to the Display Adapter section and then expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver, select the Update Driver option. Click on the Search Automatically for Drivers option and follow the instructions provided on screen to download and install the latest version. If updating graphics drivers doesn't work, you can reinstall them. Expand the Display Adapter section and right-click on your graphics driver. Click on the Uninstall Device option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After installation of the drivers, install them again. For the AMD graphics drivers, install the Radeon app and run it. Similarly, for NVIDIA graphics drivers, install and run the GeForce Experience. You should visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics drivers. These websites are linked in the description below. Download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your PC, then rerun the app to check for any updates. If any updates are available, download and install them. Method 6. Reinstall Roblox. Open Windows Settings and go to the App section. Click on Installed Apps. Locate Roblox from the list of installed apps. Click on the three dots menu next to it and select Uninstall. Follow the instructions given on screen to finish the uninstallation process. Once you have successfully uninstalled Roblox, you need to reinstall it. Finally, download and install Roblox again. And that's it. Whether it was a real glitch or just a viral prank, your Roblox experience should be back on track. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick fixes and gaming tips. Still stuck or found a workaround that worked for you? Drop it in the comments. Let's help each other out and keep the Roblox community strong.